5 awesome deep learning projects using Python. Hi, everybody. If you're looking to start your career as a data scientist from scratch, then you are in the right place. Deep learning, or DL, contributes heavily toward making our daily lives easier and more convenient. In the coming years, this trend will grow even faster. Let's take a quick look at some of the examples of deep learning. Number 1. Healthcare. CT scans, MRI scans, recording of analysis. Number 2. Object classification, face recognition, and visual search. Number 3. Self-driving cars, path planning, object detection, control, and decision-making. And number 4. Natural language processing, for example, Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. Whether it's computer-aided diagnosis in healthcare, face recognition at the airport, or technology-driven parking assistance, deep learning is powering a lot of automation today. But what is deep learning? Deep learning, essentially, is a subset of machine learning, but it's capable of achieving tremendous power and flexibility. According to Investopedia.com, deep learning is an artificial intelligence or AI function that imitates the workings of the human brain in processing data and creating patterns to use in decision-making. Deep learning AI is capable of learning without human intervention, extracting from both unstructured and unlabeled data. Deep learning has evolved rapidly with the digital era. The explosion of data is simply known as big data. The sources of big data include e-commerce platforms, internet search engines, social media, online cinemas, and scores of others. This vast data, however, is unstructured. Though this data is readily available, it would take humans too long to extract relevant data. This is where deep learning plays a vital role. Deep learning deciphers enormous amounts of unstructured data fast, data that would normally take humans several years to understand and process. In this short video, I'm going to discuss 5 awesome deep learning projects using Python. At AI Sciences, we believe that a thorough knowledge of theoretical concepts alone isn't enough. You'll also need a practical, hands-on approach to solve real-world problems in the workplace. That's the reason you'll be working on these 5 deep learning projects using Python. Number 1. Social Distancing Analyzer. Social distancing is an effective way to check the spread of infectious diseases, such as COVID-19. People are requested to restrict their interactions with others. Thus, physical or close contact is reduced, decreasing the chances of the spread of the disease. A deep learning algorithm analyzes social distancing in a public place and carries out the required actions to deal with the pandemic better. A social distance analyzer can automate this task. Number 2. Coloring old black and white photos. A recent study states that we can create a deep learning model capable of hallucinating colors within a black and white photograph by training a neural network. We'll need to use a voluminous and rich dataset for this. In this project, you'll use OpenCV DNN architecture trained on the ImageNet dataset. The aim is to create a colored version of grayscale images. You'll use a pre-trained cafe model, a NumPy file, and a prototext file for this. Number 3. Drowsiness detection system. The main reason for road accidents is the drop in alertness level of drivers. During long journeys, it's natural for drivers to doze off or micro-sleep when behind the steering wheel. Lack of sleep and stress are 2 factors that can cause drowsiness while driving, resulting in accidents. A drowsiness detection system prevents and reduces such accidents. In this project, you will use Python, Keras, and OpenCV to design a system that can detect whether the eyes of drivers are closed and alert them if they were to fall asleep while driving. This system will immediately alert the driver if they were to doze off and their eyes were to close, even for a few seconds, thereby preventing an accident. Number 4. Image Caption Generator. Convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, and LSTM, or long short-term memory, a type of recurrent neural network, or RNN, are leveraged to build a model that's capable of generating captions for an image. Both computer vision, or CV, and natural language processing, or NLP techniques are combined by an image caption generator. You'll understand CNNs and LSTM better and become proficient in implementing them in real-world applications. Number 5. Chatbot. You'll use IBM Watson's API to model a chatbot in this project. The chatbot will be capable of engaging with humans like another human being. A chatbot is extremely intelligent and can quickly answer questions or requests by a human in real time. This is the reason a lot of companies in various domains are integrating chatbots in the customer support service. We have a detailed course in the AI Sciences platform that covers the A to Z of data science and deep learning. We have a short course on deep learning also. Name of the course: Mastering the A to Z of Data Science and Machine Learning, 629 lessons. This in-depth learning course covers the essential elements of data science and deep learning in great detail. 3 modules are allocated to deep learning. Name of the second course: Deep Learning for Beginners, 23 lessons. This Learning by Doing course covers the basic concepts of deep learning. If you're interested in learning more about becoming a deep learning specialist, then be sure to check out our courses at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to start your data science and AI career and more. Check out this playlist of our data science and deep learning lessons and see you in the next video. Take care.